Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user in Microsoft Entra ID using Azure CLI right from an Ubuntu machine. And this tutorial is perfect if you are working in a Linux environment and want to manage Entra ID users directly from the terminal. Before we get started, just a quick note. You need to have Azure CLI installed on your Ubuntu system to follow along with this tutorial. If you haven't installed the Azure CLI yet, no worries. I have already made a quick video showing you how to install it on Ubuntu using just one command. And you can find the video link on description. You can check that out first, then come back here to continue. So once you're ready, open up your terminal and let's get started. So let me open the terminal. First, we have to log in our Azure account, okay? And the command is easy login. This will open up a browser. And then we have to select our account. This is my account. I have already put the password in. Now, as you can see, I have already logged into the Microsoft account and I can close this, right? Now, I have to select my subscription and in my Azure account, I have only one subscription, okay? So I will type 1 and then hit enter. Now I can go ahead and type the command to create the user, okay? So before that, I have to clear this screen, okay? Now, the Azure CLI command is to create the user, AD user create, okay. Then I will break the line. Either you can write it in one line, okay, or you can break the line for more, readability. Then the first parameter is display name. Let's say our username is Aaron Paul, okay, and I want to display his full name. Again, backslash, hit enter. User principal name. So this is the next parameter. A Paul at kids cartoon world.com, okay, space backslash, hit enter. And the next parameter is male nickname. A Paul space backtick, hit enter. And then password. Let's say user password is strong password at 1 2 3. Now these are the required parameter, okay, to create the new user using Azure CLI. Now I will hit enter. If everything is correct, then we will see the output. As you can see, this is the output of the new user, okay. Now we can go to our portal and this is our user list, right? So let me refresh this and then we will see our new user Aaron Paul that we had just created through our Azure CLI, right? In the next video of this Azure CLI playlist, I will show you how to create a group in Azure using CLI on Ubuntu terminal. I have also created a dedicated playlist for Azure Portal and Azure PowerShell. You can click on this video to check for Azure Portal Labs and Azure PowerShell Lab. Thank you for watching.